Friends, did you know that using the right management tools can save each team member up to 5 hours every single week? That is an entire workday just disappearing into admin tasks, status updates, and endless coordination. Most teams deal with what the industry calls work around work. That is all the administrative chaos that eats up your day before you even touch the actual project. My name is Daniel, and today I want to show you how Jira removes that friction. We will explore how it uses AI to handle the busy work and automate repetitive processes. This gives your team back those lost hours, allowing you to focus on strategic initiatives and creative problem-solving. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's dive right in. Folks, the biggest productivity killer in project management is not the work itself, it is everything around the work. Manually categorizing tasks, writing status updates, digging through notes to create assignments, and scheduling meetings just to figure out what is blocking progress. That administrative layer drains hours from every workday. This is where intelligent automation makes a real difference. Jira embeds AI directly into the workflow rather than bolting it on as an extra feature. That means automation happens in context, right where you are already working. You simply describe what you need in plain language, and the platform takes care of the logic. Mates, the goal is not to replace decision-making, but to remove the repetitive steps that slow decisions down. When status reports write themselves and tasks organize automatically, teams move from reactive coordination to proactive delivery. That shift is what turns those 5 saved hours per week from a statistic into something you actually feel. Okay, friends, let me show you how Jira helps you get work done in practice. We started the team dashboard. This is your command center. Instead of scheduling hour-long meetings to discuss task statuses, you get instant visibility into everything happening across your projects. We can immediately spot a problem in the request type widget. 4 tasks are marked with no request type assigned. Normally, a manager would have to open each of them manually, read through it, and categorize it by hand. That is exactly the kind of repetitive work we want to eliminate. But now we have Rovo. Powered by your organization's knowledge and documentation, Rovo understands the full context of your project. Every ticket, document, and comment is connected and at its disposal. Folks, here's a task that usually eats up half an hour: reporting. I am prompting it to scan our dashboard, analyze every description and status, and synthesize a report on blockers. The goal is to have a polished update for stakeholders in seconds, completely autonomously. Good news, Rovo tells us there are no critical blockers right now. But that's not all. Look at this. It didn't just give us dry statistics. It prepared a draft email for stakeholders, complete with a subject line, introduction, and conclusions. I do not need to waste time formatting this report. I can just copy it, tweak it in Slack, and send it out. That is AI driving efficiency in real time. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Now communication is sorted, so let me show you how to handle repetitive routines. Remember those uncategorized tasks we saw on the dashboard? Instead of sorting them manually every single time, we can set up automation. The old way would be going into settings, hunting for the automation section, finding the right configuration panel, and building rules from scratch. That takes forever. We are going to do it smarter. Mates, I simply tell Rovo what I need using plain language. I write a request asking it to create a rule. If the task description contains the word bug, automatically set the request type to report a system problem. Watch what happens. Instead of me spending time building the logic, the AI processes this request and generates the logic for me. It doesn't create the rule automatically, but it does something just as valuable. It gives us a ready-made recipe. Friends, the biggest challenge with automation is often understanding the logic. Which trigger should you choose? What condition makes sense? Here, Rovo breaks it down clearly. First, the trigger. Second, the condition. Third, the action. We do not have to guess or dig through documentation. We just take this instruction and execute it in under a minute. Let's talk about what takes the most time every day, which is writing tasks. After meetings, I often have just a pile of rough notes. Before, I would sit there editing them manually. Now the AI can find related tasks and help write detailed descriptions in the premium version. Guys, you can also generate assignments from scratch without doing it manually by using Robo AI. I paste my messy meeting notes and tell it to create tasks for Lisa with a Friday deadline. It fully prepares them and assigns them to Lisa. I can approve, delete, or edit them right inside the chat. In this case, I just click Create All. We can view everything in queues, generated by artificial intelligence. So what did we accomplish in just a few minutes? We diagnosed the project, created a report for management, received an automation recipe, and turned chaotic notes into assigned tasks. No unnecessary clicks or pointless coordination meetings, just straight execution. Okay, my friends, here's the bottom line. We've seen how Jira with Robo AI transforms from a basic task tracker into a tool that genuinely saves time. Those 5 hours per week we mentioned at the start become real when the system handles admin work automatically. You move from managing administrative tasks to leading real progress. From spending time on updates to investing it in what truly matters for your project. This is how you turn promised efficiency into a tangible reality for your team every single day. Mates, if you have been looking for a way to reclaim time lost to project admin, Jira might be worth trying. Experiment with the AI tools, set up a few automations, and see how much faster you can operate. Feel free to check out the links in the description below. You might find some discounts there. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.